Is it the right time to buy or sell SOFI stock? Let's dive deep into SOFI in this video. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On February 9, 2024, our system identified SOFI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.17. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. As we continue, we'll closely monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $7.61 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 7.76% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 0.9% and 41.82%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 25.21% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 10.64% and 97.68%. So, after a year, the stock price could range from $8.99 to $16.07. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, Evaluation of SOFI stock downgraded after the last trading session. The SOFI stock price gained 0.619% on the last trading day, Friday, February 9, 2024, rising from $8.08 to $8.13. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.34% from a day low at $8.08 to a day high of $8.35. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 6.69% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -9 million shares, and in total, 40 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $326.38 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $11.70, and the lowest price was $4.45. Currently, the price is 30.51%, or $3.57, below the 52-week high, and 71.23%, or $20.13, below the all-time high on February 1, 2021, when the price reached $28.26. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 10, 2024, Deutsche Bank gave SOFI a hold grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded SOFI's grade to market perform with an upgrade action. On Thursday, August 17, 2023, Citigroup gave SOFI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded SOFI's grade to underperform with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, Stevens gave SOFI an equal weight grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given SOFI stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for SOFI. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 9.72% rise so far. It suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. SOFI stock should be closely monitored. We also have some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. The short-term moving average gives a buy signal, while the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This indicates a more negative forecast for the stock since the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $8.40. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the short-term average at $7.84. To provide further guidance, a breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was identified 17 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was identified 96 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was identified 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Today we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. SOFI has found support from accumulated volume at $7.89. This is an important level to watch as it could provide a buying opportunity. When support is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, SOFI has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, we can see that the stock moved $0.270 between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to a 3.34% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.37%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for SOFI. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary setbacks due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 6, 2024. This report holds significance as it can greatly impact stock prices. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $0.0100. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can influence stock prices significantly. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOFI. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $8.40. For those who don't own any shares, it might be worth waiting until this level is breached before entering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $7.89. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. SOFI has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, indicating positive sentiment. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 6, 2024, Lavit Robert S. bought 24,742 shares of common stock. On February 6, 2024, Lavit Robert S. sold 12,724 shares of common stock. On February 6, 2024, Lavit Robert S. sold 24,742 shares of stock options, right to buy. On January 9, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. bought 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On December 19, 2023, Rishal Jeremy sold 56,273 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find a negative insider power ratio of -21.316. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 4,686,983 shares and sold 7,227,768 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and a stop loss has not been set. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Unfortunately, SOFI currently displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Additionally, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of SOFI is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 12, we anticipate SOFI to open up with a $0.0567 increase and start trading at $8.19. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also interested in knowing your target for this stock. Remember, liking and subscribing to our channel helps us bring you more valuable content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.